So if you see behind me, you'll notice a big change in this space, and that is taping mud on our drywall. So the lights work, every single one of them. It's great. Welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm Timothy Holt. A big shout out to my boys and daughter for their help today. A lot of work, getting it done. If anybody watching this has ever done any drywall, mudded tape, you know how time consuming it is, just tedious. Making sure the screws are all put in properly and covered. So I'm just going to show you some of their craftsmanship. It's pretty messy, but we're all amateurs here and we will get it done. I'm so excited and happy for getting this first coat put in. So a couple of things and I'll show you how it went. So we're going to go all the way over here to the mud room. First of all, get our lights on. These lights are temporary. They will be can lights like that, but show you here. We start in the ceiling and we've got our wall, first coat in, and in our corners we went ahead and did one of the sides of the corner, as you can see here. And we'll come back tomorrow, get the other side, touch everything else up with our second coat as needed, and work our way out. Any bubbling we'll take care of, that kind of thing. But above the door, you can see that. For those of you who are wondering, over here, this is going to be a closet, a broom closet and pantry from floor to ceiling, where this plastic vapor barrier is still exposed. So that's why it's still exposed, because it's going to be a built-in. So, but look at this drywall. It's great. It's wondrous. It's wonderful. Also, we had some issues there that we couldn't really cover up, so we're going to do that a little differently. That's why that's not taped in mud. But everything else is good to go. We do need to do a little bit of work on that cutout right there, but nothing major. I'm just super happy with all of their work today. We had a botched cut right here that I think Zach was the one who took care of that. He went ahead and cut a piece of tape, filled it with mud, coated it, so good to go. We've got our bullnose metal corners here drying. We've got our first coat on it, and we'll come back later and take care of that. Same thing here. Matter of fact, right there is one of the guys right there. Yeah, he's ignoring me. But he did most of the tape work on the ceiling, which looks fantastic. Like I said, we'll come back tomorrow after it's all dry, see what bubbling we've got, and take care of them as we need to. So overall, short video. I'll probably come back and do another video a little more in depth on what this entails. We use a midweight, I'm reading it, midweight drywall mud, and then mixed it with some water to make it the consistency of milkshake, basically. Works really well, it's easy. Downside is we have a lot of drips on the floor that we need to clean up, but we're gonna let them dry and clean them up when we're gonna make a big mess. So, but hopefully in another video, I used a new drywall mud tool this time, so I'm going to be doing next week a tool review on that tool. I really like it, so just a little spoiler warning there. I really like it, so I'm going to do a tool review on that tool because it works super well. And that's what I have for you today and this week. I'm Timothy Holt from Holt Growers. This is our kitchen and mudroom renovation. And if you want to check out the rest of the playlist, please feel free and do so. And get out and grow something today. And God bless you.